can visit here. And Rotterdam is all about cool structures and modern architecture, and the buildings are really cool, and I'll be your tour guide about Rotterdam today. And such one of these buildings I told you about is this one. It's called the Central Station. Do you guys think this is a restaurant? Do you guys think this is a hotel? No, this is not either of them. It's a church. This is a really weird structure for a church. And it's called the Paulus Church in English, and it's called the PAULUSKERK in Dutch. Now standing on the yellow bridge, but this is not a normal bridge, it's a special bridge because it's made with crowdfunding, and it's really impressive because it connects various parts of Rotterdam, and it even goes through buildings, and we'll see that in a moment. And it also goes next to train tracks and stuff, and it'll be really peaceful. And here are some people who funded for the yellow bridge. This is one of the tallest buildings of Rotterdam. It's called the WILLEMSWERF, and now it's not so tall anymore. And my dad calls it, it's really funny, he calls it the Jackie Chan building because one of his famous movies, Who Am I, was shot here, and he actually slided down that place over at that building, and it was really cool. I watched the video myself, it was really impressive. And here's the famous red bridge on the left. See what's behind me? It's the cubic houses. In Dutch it's called the kijkcubus, and that means show cubes in English. And actually these cubic houses, the architect tried to make a sort of wood in a modern city like Rotterdam, and now it looks like trees, so yeah, it really looks like a village. And if you really want to experience this living in the cubic houses, you can always stay here overnight. Entrance to the cubic house. Hope you guys like the cubic houses, but you can also see the old harbor from here. It's right over there. To address the climatic change, Rotterdam has built a few floating structures on water. This is a unique floating structure. It's called the floating pavilion. Here are some floating things you can see it. And behind the floating pavilion or floating trees, they actually are floating on water. So those are the floating trees. We are now standing on the ERASMUSBRUG. It's known as the ERASMUSBRUG in Dutch, and it's built over the new MAAS river, and it's like 1 kilometer long, 800 meters, and it's really high. And it's known as the Swan Bridge because from both sides it looks like a swan. And it's also known for its cool buildings because here is the Rotterdam building. I told you it's the Swan Bridge. Do you see a swan there? Now you guys recognize why it's called the Swan. See what's behind me? This is the Splash Tour bus, and I'm really excited because this is not a normal bus. First it will go into the streets of Rotterdam just like always, like a normal bus will do. But then this is really special about this bus. It will actually go into the water and it will show you some important parts of Rotterdam as it goes into the MAAS river. And I've never seen a bus which goes into the water before, so that's why I'm so excited about it. We are still on the road, and very soon we will splash into the water.
Okay, here we go! Dan kom ik find you by myself. Zo, dames en heren, u ziet het, de bus is nu een schip, de chauffeur is kapitein. Ik blijf gewoon mezelf.
De Rotterdam is op dit moment het grootste gebouw van Europa met een vloeroppervlak van 160.000 vierkante meter.
So guys, look, now we're on the water, and you know what? I went to the fridge so that I can look at the splash. It was really amazing.
By means of a monitor. The shipbuilder took out a patent on this system. 4 augustus 2008 terug naar Rotterdam, waar het sinds maart 2010 dienst als hotel, restaurant en congrescentrum.
Okay, this time we're in the Rotterdam Zoo. It's called the DIERGAARDE Blijdorp, and we're doing this because we want to see the oceanium. It's like the sea life. You can look it from under a glass. And this zoo is one of the oldest one in Rotterdam, and it's mostly called the Rotterdam Zoo, but the real name I just told it. So, and yeah, we've come here to see the oceanium and see what that is over there. thing is called the Holland-American line. In the late 19th and 20th centuries, the people used to come here and stay and use the ship to go to New York. This is actually a connection between Europe and America, and immigrants used to come here to go to New York, and I don't know if there's more places where they go to, but now it's different. Now it's the New York, it's the Hotel New York. We just saw the Holland-America line a while ago. So now this is one of the largest ships, the SS Rotterdam. It used to bring passengers from Rotterdam to New York, but now it's not a ship that uses transportations anymore. Now it's a hotel. You can stay here overnight if you want. We're at the Market Hall Rotterdam, and this Market Hall, it has a lot of shops and restaurants and other things like that, and all of the things you use. And the roof is full of drawings, and there are residents there. Like you can see the windows up there are residents, and there are lots of shops and stuff. So yeah, this is really famous in Rotterdam. Just look how impressive Market Hall is from outside. First the paintings and then the light from the shops. It just looks amazing with all of the lighting. That was it, guys. I've showed you the most famous places of Rotterdam. I will really miss Rotterdam because I'm going back to my home in Belgium now. I'll really miss these places and the places I've showed you myself, and yeah, so I hope I make another video when I come back to Rotterdam another day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and bye. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Long Arms Creations, guys. Bye.